जुबली हिल्स ज़िमनी इंतखाब में कांग्रेस पार्टी पर वोट चोरी का इल्जाम लगाते हुए बीआरएस लीडर केटीआर ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की। केटीआर ने कहा कि एक तरफ राहुल गांधी वोट चोरी की बात करते हैं और दूसरी तरफ खुद उनकी पार्टी के लोग जुबली हिल्स में वोट चोरी कर रहे हैं।
ऊपर कहते हैं वोट चोरी, वो तो वोट चोरी है, मतलब आज डिलीशन हो रहा है, पर यहां पे चोर वोट मतलब गलत लोग वोट करने का एक कोशिश कर रहे हैं और साजिश कर रहे हैं। इसको लेके आज हमने सबूत के साथ विथ एब्सोल्यूट प्रूफ इन ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट वी हैव मेट द सीईओ ऑफ तेलंगाना हु इज रिस्पांसिबल फॉर द कंडक्ट, फ्री एंड फेयर कंडक्ट ऑफ जुबली हिल्स बाय इलेक्शन. We showed all kinds of proofs. We have presented all kinds of evidences on the irregularities that are happening here. If you notice, there are three kinds of irregularities that are happening. One, heavy duplication of votes. एक एक आदमी को तीन तीन एपिक कार्ड है. एक एक पर्सन के पास, जहां तक हमें मिली समाचार, करीब करीब 2000 लोगों के पास डुप्लीकेशन ट्रिप्लीकेशन ऑफ वोटर आईडीज हैं और ये सारे के सारे जुबली हिल्स में. ये पहला एक मेजर माल प्रैक्टिस है. दूसरा हम देखते हैं कि सडनली ऑल ऑफ अ सडन ऑन वन सिंगल डे September 2nd mass updation of votes, thousands of votes have been added. Now how did this happen? This happened because people who have voter ID cards in Mancherial, in Gadwal, in Nagar Karnool and elsewhere in Telangana, all of them have been also given a new ID here by the Congress party with collusion at the grassroots level. So we have presented all evidences, including 19,000 votes that have been added. इसके बारे में सारे सबूत हमने सीईओ को दिया. उन्होंने आश्वासन दिया हमें. He has promised us that he will look into it. We have put three requests, three demands to the CEO. We said first, a thorough investigation has to happen into how this level of malpractices can be indulged in without the connivance of officers and without the connivance of lower level bureaucrats. That's the first thing. A thorough investigation has to be ordered. Second, all the officers who are responsible for this have to be shifted and also have to be punished. And third, all the votes that have been entered illegally by way of malpractices have to be deleted before the end of nominations. The Honorable CEO has promised us that he will look into the matter. He'll take a very serious look at the entire complaint and he will come back to us. We are hopeful that they will actually do something about it. They will actually look seriously into it. If not, we will obviously have to go to the court of law. We are hopeful that the Central Election Commission also, which has been under tremendous pressure, the Chief Election Commissioner and election commissioners who have been accused of vote chori, mass deletion, SIR, etc. in Bihar will come to our rescue. Because it is the Congress party which is accusing of vote chori in Bihar, indulging in similar malpractices in this by-election in Telangana. So we hope the Central Election Commission will also respond. We hope that the CEC will also look into this matter. He will ask for a report from the CEO here. We will also submit an application to the CEC and election commissioners, and we hope that they will respond swiftly and justice will be delivered. If that doesn't happen, we'll certainly knock on the doors of the court of law, and we hope that